In this video, we are going to find out the value of 50 divided by 2 times 10 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Alright, 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So it can be written in the form of 50 divided by 2 times this 5 to the power of 2. As you know, 5 to the power of 2 is 25. So I write it in the form of 50 divided by 2 times 25. Next, 2 times 25 gives us 50. So I write it in the form of 50 divided by 50. As you know, 50 divided by 50 gives us 1. If your answer is 1, you are wrong. Why? Let's solve this question one more time. Okay, first, operation inside the parentheses. This is 10 divided by 2 to the power of 2. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5, right? So I write it in the form of 50 divided by 2 times 5 to the power of 2. One more time. 5 to the power of 2 gives us 25. So I write it in the form of 50 divided by 2 times 25. In this moment, you need to know number next to the parentheses, which means multiplication. So I write it in the form of 50 divided by 2 times 25. Now we have division and multiplication. Should we start with multiplication or division? In this case, when we have both division and multiplication in one expression, you need to start your work from left and go to the right. So left one here, division. 50 divided by 2 gives us 25. So I write it in the form of 25 times 25. As you know, 25 times 25, which means 25 to the power of 2. Can you remember what is the value of 25 to the power of 2? Right, 625 is your answer.